Welcome to Anna Videos. If you're into growing up, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring Microsoft 365 pricing and plans. Which one is right for you? Let's get started. Microsoft 365 is one of the most popular productivity suites, offering various plans tailored to individuals, businesses, and enterprises. Choosing the right Microsoft 365 plan can be overwhelming due to the different pricing structures and features available. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore Microsoft 365 pricing and plans to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Understanding Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365, formerly known as Office 365, is a subscription-based service that includes popular productivity tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. Depending on the plan, you can also get advanced security features, cloud storage, and collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams. The suite is designed for various users, including students, professionals, businesses, and large enterprises. Microsoft 365 plans and pricing overview. Microsoft 365 offers different plans categorized into personal, family, business, and enterprise options. Below is an overview of these plans. 1. Microsoft 365 Personal and Family Plans. These plans are best suited for individuals and families who need productivity applications for personal use. Microsoft 365 Personal Price, $69.99 per year, or $6.99 per month, includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and OneDrive. 1 terabyte of cloud storage access on multiple devices. Advanced security features. Microsoft 365 Family Price, $99.99 per year, or $9.99 per month. Includes all features of Microsoft 365 Personal, can be shared with up to 6 people. Each user gets 1 terabyte of cloud storage. Family safety features. 2. Microsoft 365 Business Plans, designed for small and medium-sized businesses. These plans include productivity apps and collaboration tools. Microsoft 365's Business Basic Price, $6 per user per month, web and mobile versions of Office apps. 1 terabyte OneDrive storage per user. Microsoft Teams for collaboration. Email hosting with a 50 gigabytes mailbox. No desktop applications. Microsoft 365 Business, standard price, $12.50 per user per month. All features of Business Basic desktop versions of Office. Apps, business, email, and calendaring. Webinar hosting and attendee registration tools. Microsoft 365 Business Premium. Price, $22 per user per month. All features of Business Standard. Advanced security and device management. Cyber threat protection, remote access, and identity management. Microsoft 365 Apps for Business Price, $8.25 per user per month. Includes only Office apps. 1 terabyte of cloud storage per user. No email hosting. 3. Microsoft 365 Enterprise Plans. These plans are designed for large organizations requiring enhanced security, compliance, and advanced features. Microsoft 365 E3 Price, $36 per user per month. Office desktop and web apps, 100 gigabytes mailbox, and unlimited. OneDrive storage. Enterprise security and compliance, identity and access management. Microsoft 365 E5 Price, $57 per user per month. All features of E3: advanced security and analytics. Compliance tools for legal and regulatory requirements. Microsoft 365 F3 Price, $8 per user per month. Web and mobile Office apps, 2 gigabytes mailbox, and 10 gigabytes OneDrive storage. Basic security and compliance tools, ideal for frontline workers. Which Microsoft 365 plan is right for you? For individuals and families. If you need Microsoft Office for personal use, the Microsoft 365 Personal Plan is ideal for individuals, while Microsoft 365 Family is perfect for households with multiple users. For small businesses, choose Microsoft 365 Business Basic. If you only need cloud-based apps and email, select Microsoft 365 Business Standard if you require full Office applications and collaboration tools. Opt for Microsoft 365's Business Premium if security and device management are essential. For large enterprises, Microsoft 365 E3 is a good choice for organizations needing enterprise-grade productivity and security. Microsoft 365 E5 is best for businesses requiring advanced security, analytics, and compliance tools. Microsoft 365 F3 is suitable for frontline workers with basic productivity needs. Factors to consider when choosing a plan budget. Consider your budget and evaluate whether a monthly or annual subscription works best for you. Number of users. Choose a plan that allows multiple users if required. Storage needs. Determine how much cloud storage you need. Collaboration tools. Businesses should consider plans that include Teams and SharePoint. Security and compliance. Enterprises handling sensitive data should opt for higher-tier plans. Conclusion: Microsoft 365 offers a range of plans to suit different needs from individuals to large corporations. By carefully evaluating your requirements, budget, and necessary features, you can choose the plan that best fits your needs. Whether you're a student, freelancer, small business, or enterprise, Microsoft 365 has a pricing plan tailored for you. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this, check out our other videos on related topic. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on Windows tips. See you next time. Thank you.